Hi, ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from M&O FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing because we provide valuable content right here. So today I'm here with a trade breakdown of Euro Swiss, the trade we took yesterday, a beautiful, beautiful trade that turned out amazing, right? I'm going to take you through like what made me take this particular trade, the confirmation I looked for, and everything else. So stick around, make sure that you watch to the end for you to actually benefit more from this video. All right, so let's get started right now. So I'm going to start off by erasing everything else here so that we can start from the beginning, right? Okay, great. Yeah. So basically, what happened? Uh, what you always have to do is to go to the higher time frame, determine the overall direction of the market. What is the market currently doing? Is it in an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Or it's consolidating? So if the market is in a downtrend, you're looking for selling opportunities. And if the market is in an uptrend, you're looking for buying opportunities, all right? So you have to trade with the trend. Just like the old saying goes, the trend is your friend. Really, really important, right? Because you don't want to be picking tops and bottoms. So what happened was after we noticed that the market was actually in a downtrend, then what I have to do is I have to look for turning points. And these turning points are going to be very significant because they're going to show me where the smart money guys were getting involved. So you see right here that we had a really really nice, so we had this level right here and we had this rejection, this level right here. This was very significant to me. I saw this and was like, okay, I really want to see what's happening here. So what you basically just do is put your um tool right there and drag it to the right side. Literally, I'm just looking for my order block, and it was really really hard for me to find one. So I have to go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. um right here it was not clear, like we just had this big wick that we have right there. So let's go to the 55 minutes time frame. Let's see if we're going to have that level right there. You can see that it was not still clear. So what I was just looking at, I was like, okay, all this is a level. So as long as the market comes to this level right here, I'm willing to sell. Really really important. So here in this case we didn't have a really really good uh order block, right? So we had to work with that. Okay, so I'll go back to my higher time frame. So you can clearly see that what we have here is literally a rally based drop, a really quick rally based drop supply zone, right? Very, very important. And you can clearly see that we have our QML here, we have a low, we have a higher high, and we have the break of structure. And then we have this presentation coming to our level like that. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I show you exactly what I did. So from here, I'm going to label this as my QML. This is my QML. QML. Let's put that in calculators. Yeah, so that's my QML right there. And then this right here is my low, which I'm just going to call change of character, which signified the change of character. Right here, we had the break of this low right here. So you can literally just put anything just here. So I'm going to put this inside right here and then just use this right here. You can use anything literally. Okay. And then I'm going to put my higher high above here. So just like that, my QM is complete. And after this happened, we had a new lower low, which was formed below here. So we have a complete QM. And then what you're going to notice is that in this case, we didn't have our classical chart, I mean, a pattern that usual market will present with, where we have market taking out liquidity. What we had here is what we call CPLQ. You can rather call it a rising wage as well. Okay, so we had the market compressing. So this is what we call a CPLQ, which that simply means compression plus liquidity. All right, very very easy stuff. And then we have a rally base drop supply zone right here, supply zone right here. Okay, just like that. And let's enlarge this like that. All right. Then what happened? We determined where we're going to enter from and sell from. I mean, like take our profit and our stop loss from. So my stop loss is always above the higher high. It's as simple as that. Few pips above the higher high, that's where my stop loss is going to be. All right. So right here, just like that. And then yeah, my target was this level here. My target was here. There's 146 pips right here. And then my stop loss was just above that level. It was literally a 1 to 11. Beautiful, beautiful trade. It turned out amazing. It just in 2 days, this trade was able to take profit, and it was beautiful, right? So this is what we had here. We had a clear downtrend, and then we had this rally based drop supply zone right here. When we have that, we wait for the market to pull back into this area where we look for what? For sell opportunity. So what we have here is the classic rising wedge. So how does a rising wedge look like? Let me just show you. So this is what a rising wedge looks like, and it's a reversal chart pattern, right? When you see that, most of the time, realize that the market is most likely to drop. So you can see this, right? A rising wedge pattern, which I used as a confluence for my entry right here. Okay, so if you think I'm just bluffing, I'm just saying this stuff, let me just show you that this signal was actually sent with our private community. Let me just show you right now. We sent this signal before all that move happened. You can clearly see that this is how it was. We saw this beautiful presentation right here, and I shared the signal with our private community. Stop loss 13 pips and our target was 143 pips. And guess what happened? I mean, you can see that this was seen by 14 people in our group. This is our private community right here. And now, what has the market done? The market has dropped like crazy, and our take profit has been hit because we were targeting this low right here. It was our beautiful trade. This is literally a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio trade. I mean, like, this is a perfect trade that turned out amazing. You only need few of these per week, you'll be good, right? This is how it is. All right, so I hope you found this very informative. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe, like the video, comment them in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you learned from this video, right? So please make sure that you subscribe as well. Turn on that bell notification so that you don't get to miss these really important videos. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.